Hi, trying Dairy Queen's Valentine's desserts. The first one we have is the Red Velvet Blizzard. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty good, and it looks like it has a lot of the red velvet cake in there. That looks really good. This is what it looks like. You can see it has a lot of pieces, and let's try it and see what it tastes like. You get a lot of the red velvet cake pieces. It's really good. Let me try some more. There it is. I like this. This is good. We have to get out and try it. The next one we have is going to be the cupcakes. These are 2 for $6. These are layers of chocolate and vanilla soft serve. This is with their signature fudge and a crunchy cookie center. It has the festive pink, red, or white icing and heart-shaped sprinkles. This is what it looks like. You can see the ice cream, the crunchy in there. You can see the sprinkles, all the icing. Let's go ahead and try it and see what it tastes like. Oh, it's a bit hard when you dig down in it because of all the crunchiness. Okay, there it is. Looks good. Let's see what it tastes like. All right. I like it. It's very crunchy. It's not too sweet. And I like the combination. It all works together. You have to get out and try it. And this is Dairy Queen's Valentine's desserts. All right. Thank you. Bye.